Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best window cleaner you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best window cleaner on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which window cleaner are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Rejuvenate No Scrub Soap Scum Remover. Rejuvenate is ideal for shower doors with a buildup of soap scum. The non-abrasive formula is super easy to use, no scrubbing required. Just spray it on, rinse it off, and marvel at the streak-free, sparkly clean finish. This glass cleaner works instantly to dissolve soap scum and eliminate other grime. Rejuvenate Scrub-Free Soap Scum Remover Non-Toxic Non-Abrasive Cleaning Formula. Spray and rinse for streak-free finish on glass, ceramic tile, chrome, plastic, and more. Effective to use on glass, ceramic tile, fiberglass, natural stone, plastic, chrome, and porcelain. Easy to use, just spray and rinse for a streak finish. The No Scrub Soap Scum Remover is the winner of multiple cleaning product awards. For details, let's watch more. Our second best window cleaner is Wyman Glass Cooktop Cleaner and Polish. If you have a glass cooktop and you've been using a multi-purpose kitchen cleaner on it, you'll be amazed at what a difference the Wyman Glass Cooktop Cleaner can make. This non-abrasive product lifts burnt food, discoloration, and stains without much scrubbing effort. A biodegradable formula helps easily remove heavily burned on foods, grease, and grime. Dramatically cleans, shines, and protects glass ceramic smooth top ranges in one easy step. All major glass/ceramic cooktop manufacturers including GE, Whirlpool, Frigidaire, Thermador, and more. This cooktop kit is powerful and surface safe for cleaning grease stains and baked on messes. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Windex Original Glass Cleaner. If you're on a budget, you can't go wrong with Windex. The household name is almost synonymous with glass cleaner, and you can count on the tried and true original formula to clean, brighten, and shine all the glass in your home. As soon as you spray it on, it'll get to work on smears and smudges even before you start wiping it away. Kills 99.9% of germs, everyday cleaner that works on just about everything without fear of damage. Provides a disinfectant benefit to keep the home germ-free. Cleans the following surfaces: windows, glass, mirrors, sealed marble, sealed granite, stainless steel, chrome, UV-protected windows, factory-installed low-E coated windows, lead or flint glass, lucite, tile, plastic, vinyl, aluminum, ceramics, and more. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our site is Stoner Invisible Glass Cleaner Spray. Sliding into first place is Invisible Glass, an easy-to-use spray cleaner that creates a brilliant crystal clear shine on all your glass surfaces. The Invisible Glass Clear Dry formula contains no streaky soaps, scents, or dyes. Absolutely zero residue on your glass, just invisible glass. This 32 ounces spray pump bottle makes it easy to squeeze out every drop of glass cleaner for a brilliant shine on all glass surfaces. This unique invisible glass formula contains no ammonia, so it's perfect for use on tinted and non-tinted glass. Use it at home, on stainless steel appliances, in the car, on the boat, at the office, and more. You can trust the quality and superior formula of this glass cleaner and window spray. It's the best super window cleaner you can buy. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best window cleaner list is Better Life Streak-Free Glass Cleaner. This natural window and glass cleaner kicks fingerprints, greasy smudges, rain spots, and dirt to the curb without streaks or stinging scents. After all, a clear view goes better with a breath of fresh air. Better Life products are packaged using solar energy and recyclable materials, with formulas that biodegrade 2 to 5 times faster than leading natural and conventional cleaners. This product are grime busting and grease kicking, because we believe clean shouldn't sting, doesn't need neon dyes, and shouldn't have to wear perfume. Works on glass, windows, mirrors, plexiglass, auto glass, treated windows, light fixtures, chrome and acrylic. Easily removes soils that accumulate on glass, that fingerprints, nose prints and grime. It helps mirrors stay as reflective as ever and can be used on all other glass surfaces. For details, let's watch more.